Welcome back into Talking Fitchburg. Joining today for the Fitchburg Public Library. We got Margaret, we got Tegan, we got Jeremy. We're ready to rock and roll. Happy fall.
Happy fall to you.
I wouldn't have said that like last week. I'd been like, there is no fall.
Right.
Only summer, but that's okay.
It's going to be nice and cool for the weekend.
It really is. And that doesn't mean, with fall being here, doesn't mean the activities stop. But first off, I do want to ask, how did the summer go at the library?
It went great. Yeah, we had lots of people in and always busy.
Yeah. Lots of people participate in our summer reading program, so yeah, we're excited about that.
Do we know the top winner of hours or books and?
I'm not sure.
This just came to mind.
Yeah,
Sorry,
yeah.
I put you on the spot. I know I've been accused of putting you guys on the spot, so why not continue that trend? All right, we'll find that out sometime. Well, let's start on the youth side of things and continue on. A lot of great programming coming up here the month of September. First off, story times are returning, plus a new story time.
Yes. So our preschool story time is returning on Mondays. We have 2 sessions, one at 9:30 and one at 11. And then Tuesdays we'll have our Lapsit story time for babies age 0 to 2, and that's at 11. And then we're really excited to be kicking off a Saturday story time option for families. That'll start actually this coming Saturday at 10:30 and then run through the second Saturday in October. So it'll be a 6-week session each Saturday at 10:30.
I think story time is a great way to get your kid to get used to coming together with a group of kids, sitting and using your listening skills, and staying seated for a short period of time, because it's more than just reading. There's a lot of activities that go on, but I think it's a well balanced thing. I think it's really cool.
Yeah, we do songs, dances, movement activities, and just always encourage parents and caregivers to check it out. And if it's not working that day, you can always step out, rejoin us
Best
another
part of
time.
our story time room is you can step out of the room and step back in when you're ready, which is good. And parents, you know what I'm talking about. So clubs are starting back up as well. Lots of fun clubs that you got each and every week.
Yes, so on the second Wednesday each month, we're kicking off our We Are in a Book Club for kids ages 5 through 8. It's primarily geared toward kids who are just exploring, starting to read chapter books. We have a new book each time that the kids read. We do a fun activity. We discuss the book a little bit, and we also have Unbook Club for the older kids ages 9 to 12. That's on the second Mondays of each month at 6. You don't have to read a specific book for that one. They can just come and whatever they're reading, discuss it, get ideas from other kids. And then we have our writing club on the second Tuesdays of each month at 4:30. We have a published author that works at our library who leads that.
What?
And so she does a bunch of different creative writing things and encourages kids in their desire to write. And then we also have a fun Lego club starting up on the first Monday of each month at 6 for ages 5 to 12. It's kind of an open play.
I was going to say, who leads that one? Because I think I want to lead that one.
Yeah.
I'm a big Lego fan, so how can I work myself into that?
Yeah, I think she offers a different challenge each month where kids can build a certain thing if they want to. If they don't want to, they can just build whatever they want. And then I think she builds in a sharing time at the end for kids that would like to share what they built. So
yeah, again, how can I become the instructor of this? How can I maybe co-instruct with said instructor?
I mean, who doesn't love Legos, right?
Just saying.
Yeah.
Just saying. All right, maybe I'll start an adult one because we need some more adult we got some great programs coming up at the adult side. You have adult book club coming up. Lots of.
Yes, we have 4 different book clubs going on. So depending on your interest or time that you can make it in, we have lots of variety. We have our Good Yarn book club. That's September 10th at 11:30. And we have our evening book club. September 11th at 6:30 p.m. And then we have our fantasy book club, which is my favorite, September 12th, and that's at 6 p.m. And then there's the Wednesday morning, and that's on September 18th at 10 a.m.
And anybody can drop in for these, right? You can start out, maybe skip a few, whatever.
Yeah, don't like a book one month, skip it, and come back the next time. Yeah, anyone can drop in.
Cool.
Yeah.
All right, then fall recipes. Who doesn't like fall and all of the great pumpkin spice, everything?
Mm-hmm. Yes, we have, it's going to be some seasonal recipes, and it's going to be with Chef Laura Eiler from Time Saver Cuisine, and she's going to come in and she's going to show you how to prep the fall-themed meal. And then the best part of it is you get to sample it.
And that's why I've signed myself up right here
Yeah.
to be the official sampler, so that my second job duty outside of Legos would be sampler,
Yes.
official sampler of the library. But
Yeah.
what's your favorite? Let's go around the room here. If you're gonna pick a fall treat, like what are you gonna go for? Don't say pumpkin pie. Like that's more. I'm gonna put that in the
Yeah.
Thanksgiving category. But
Okay.
what are you gonna
Yes.
pick for the fall?
I love pumpkin bread. Yeah.
A good
It's really
pumpkin
good.
bread.
And the way it makes the house smell when you're baking it.
I did.
I'm going to go with apple cider donuts.
I was gonna pick some type of apple spice, whether it's pumpkin, apple, whatever donut. I love all the crafting that goes into the. I just like that. That'd be my
Yes.
first mind, but
Yeah.
all sounds really yummy. Well, then you're gonna have to come out and check this out and see if you can
Yeah.
get something going for the fall. And,
Yeah, and we do have registration for that one because the space is limited. So if you're interested, give us a call and we'll get you signed up.
Fantastic. Finally, fall hours. So we have different hours when we go into fall.
Yep.
For obvious reasons.
Yep, with school back in session, we're open on Sundays from 1 to 5. So it gives students extra time to get in and study and enjoy the
Fantastic.
library space.
All right. Well, if you want to get a copy of the newsletter, check out things on the website. You know, you just got to stop by the library, or you can check it out online. And of course, say hi to our two guests. And
Yeah.
boy, we come back, we're already talking about October.
Yes. Yeah.
Crazy. And you were telling us that you're planning for November. Like,
I
I mean, you've already celebrated fall and Halloween. And
moving
you're
into the holidays.
Oh my
Yeah.
goodness. Well, thank you both so much. Nice seeing you, and have a good fall. We'll see you back here in October.
Thanks for having us.
Sounds good. Thank you.
Thank you.